Atas pagkabagsak, kanya rin pagkain.
Ganun din, lilipilin na rin, no? Ilawan.
Sige, sabi ko pa naman sana na yung ginawa mo ng okay na ako para sa birthday. Yung parang mag-practice ko, para masabi niyo sa akin. Yung para mag-practice ko, tama ba yung pagkabigyan ko sa work. Hindi, ang gusto ko bang sabihin is hindi yung sinulat ko eh, kundi yung pagbigkas mo, tama ba? Or yung, alam mo yun, yung pag-word mo ba, o yung pronunciation mo, tama ba? Hindi naman. Basta, good morning everyone, and welcome to Adriel's Isaiah Marceliana. Adriel Isaiah Marceliana Dedication Day. Ayan, Baby Adriel. Walang ka. Ulang. Wala naman.
Lasa lang?
Nakahang. Hindi. Wala naman. May spin, ano naman eh. Kumbaga pag naka-ready naman ako. Unlike yung pag hindi naka-ready. Hindi ako naupo. Tapos minsan pag natatay sa baba, alam mo yung mga sagabal na kaya nga sabi ko, Jill, baka ang sound system to, ngayon, ano yung talaga? Talagang parang yung last nung ano, yung 18th birthday? Oo, sa Dampay. Baka sa kabila. Ay, iwan ko. Te? May comfort room po kayo. Rest room lang. Sa likod. Ano lang kayo? Wala pa naman order na.
Nestle supports dairy farmers worldwide in the transition to regenerative.
This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to hear, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way I know how to be. Now it day ways into nightfall, and you're not here to give me to it all. I let my guard down, and then you put her on. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. I'm going under, and this time I feel there's no other turn. The sun will never read it, love you gotta speak me down. I need somebody to know, somebody to hear, somebody to have, just to know how to feel. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way to help me escape. Now it day ways into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you put her on. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. And till I close my eyes, when it hurts, sometimes I fall into your arms. I will save in the something like that. Into
Patulad yan, nagkakasakit yung mga magulang. Parang ang hirap hihingi sa, alam mo yun, ang hirap hihingi sa pero hindi naman niya ako pinagdadamutan. Minsan din ako nagsasalita. Siyempre, umiyak ako sa sabi ko, ano ang tapos wala ka pang kalit. Andito yung isang skill ko din. Tignan mo natin kung paano, kung tama ba yung pronunciation ko or yung pagdadala ko ng yung pagdadala ko. And now, let me call on the godparents to come forward as we light
Hindi
the
lang
candle
na,
of the
di kaya sa budget ang bago eh.
Kaya mo bang bago? With Tide Extra Clean. Mas tanggal kaysa iba. With 3 times tagos
You
linis.
may not accept them.
Dapat malinis, dapat Tide.
Being a baby's Isaiah's light and guide as he grows so that he will become the person that God plans his to be. Hindi, kasi kakandila or ilalight yung cake. So parang tatawagin yung godparents, parang tatayo. Yung parang pledge. Tapos pagka-binlow na yung cake, wag lang akong magmadaling mag-lipas, no? Feeling ko, no?
Oo, para mas
Now, let me call on the godparents to come forward as we light the candle of dedication cake. As godparents, you may have accepted the rules and responsibilities